With the previous notes, I am going to start with practice 13.2. This lesson is 13.2. 13.1 is we're going to move it to after 13.3. So find the measure of each angle in a standard position. They're going to give you some angles in a standard position that they want you to find the measure of it, of the angle. Let's say, for example, one of the problems is this one. This is problem number 3. They're giving you this angle. Starts right here, ends right there. And there's this one, which is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees, and actually they indicating this negative. So they say this is 45 degrees. They want you to find the angle that goes from here to here. Okay, so you notice this is the x-axis. The first quadrant we have a 90 degree. This is 90 degree angle. Then we add 90 more. This is 180 degrees. One more is 270. And if we add one more, this is 360 degrees. Right here will be 0 degrees. Okay? So the whole thing is 360. So if we have this one is 45, we are going to measure this angle is, since we're going counterclockwise, it's positive 360 minus 45. So 360 minus 45 degrees will be 315. So this is alpha. So the measure of angle alpha is 315 degrees. And that will be the answer of the problem. Okay? We have more. So you guys have more, you can use that one. Don't forget that this is 90 degrees. This is, you have another 90, another 90, another 90. You can keep adding or depends how you need it. Okay, you use it. Another kind of problem I'm gonna solve in this one is you sketch the angle. They're gonna give you a set of angles, the measures of the angles, and you have to sketch it. For example, problem number, let's say number 4. This one that you just did is number 3. Okay, so in this one, they're giving you the angle is 100. This is 90. Think about it. This is 90 and 100 will be, you have to start from here. This all the time. In a standard position, that's what it says right there. So you start with the vertex of the origin and the initial side over the x on the x-axis. So you go 90, 100 goes right there. 100 degrees. Or you can repeat the format that I gave you before. You can label this alpha, and you say measure of angle alpha is 100 degrees. It goes all the way until here. It's 90 plus 10 more. It isn't a sketch. They're not telling you to do it perfectly. Fine. Now let's say, for example, 10, number 10, you have negative 145 degrees. So for negative 145 degrees, start from here. You go there. This is, we're going, negative means instead of going counterclockwise, we're going to go clockwise. So this is a vertex. This is the initial side. Going here is 145 in this direction. This is 90, and we need 145 more. Like let's say right there. 90 plus 45 will be 135 and 10 more. So it's all this. This is negative 145 degrees, or you can use a previous notation. It depends how you want to do it. And the last set that I want you to try is find the measure of the angle between 0 and 360 coterminal with each given angle. So they're going to give you, this one is very easy to do because they're going to give you an angle. Let's see, it's solving number 12. So let's see, let's do number 12, negative 100. This is negative 90, negative 100 will be right here. So start with the standard position, negative 100. This is just an approximation, negative 100 degrees. And how is going to be the other one? Well, the other one has to have the same initial side and same terminal side. So it has to be this, right? So it's negative 100 is the one is given, and the other one start right here. You tell me how much this is going to be, right? Because this is 100, the whole thing is 360. So you go 360 minus 100 degrees, and it has to be positive, right? Whatever is left to be 360 is 270 degrees. I'm sorry, 260 degrees. And we want positive because this one is counterclockwise. So this 260 degrees. So that's what you have to do in these problems. Figure it out, graph the given, and then go from there, finding whatever is left to complete 360.